A family of an 8-year-old boy came to me about 10 years ago with a boy that had a consistent cough. And after going to the doctor and the doctor doing all the medical checks, to check that there was no allergies or any medical reason for this cough, it was deemed that this was anxiety and that potentially he would just grow out of it. And I want to challenge that advice that family received, because from a scientific point of view, that is not how the brain works. The more that a child experiences anxiety and creates pathways within the brain of this experience of anxiety and all the behaviours that go along with that anxiety, that pathway in the brain, that part of the circuit, just gets stronger and stronger day by day. And to the point where the child feels like that's who they are. I am this anxiety. So just be mindful whenever you might hear advice that your child will just grow out of it. It's not actually how the brain works. And actually, I believe that actually a child would more likely grow into anxiety than grow out of it.